come to another elevator at the SeaGate Convention Center. These are Schindler Haughton. These are L series buttons. These are kind of busy right now, so expect some wait time. Up here it is. Watch it level. Classic leveling. Parking garage. Door close button works. We like that. Here we are at the parking garage. Go to 2. Classic leveling. Here we go. It's a vintage Haughton as well. Nice motor. Hydraulic. Nice twin cab. 2 spurned out. Back down to 1. Ooh, plot leveling. Watch this. It's got the old bumper. Going down?
Yes, sir.
What floor are you going to?
1, thank you.
Exhibit 1?
Yeah. Tires.
Wow. 4,000 pound capacity.
I think we'll be fine.
I think we'll be alright, huh? I got 2,000 on here.
Nice cab. These are L series. Sergeant locks. Rassin Hotel down here. SeaGate, Sarah exhibit halls. Oh,
Thank you.
good thing he has that bumper.